In this video, I show you how to make fast windows with debloat. On Windows 10 and also on Windows 11, we have some extra app. We never use these apps like 3D view, alarm and clocks, camera, feedback, and some extra apps. When we debloat, we will remove all the unnecessary apps on Windows. Open one browser. On the search bar, type Windows 10 debloater. Hit enter. Open this first link. It is one GitHub account. Scroll down. If you want to read more about Windows 10 debloater, then read all this text. Click on code, download zip file, file explorer, download. Here is Windows 10 debloater master. I want to paste on desktop. This file is zip. Right click, export all, export. Open this folder, Windows 10 debloater master. On the Windows search, type here PowerShell. Right click on PowerShell, run as administrator. Click on yes. First, you need to write this command: set -extension policy -extension policy and restrict. Copy this code. I will share all this code on the description. You can use. Paste here, just right click, hit enter. Here enter A. In this step, copy this path, Control A, copy. Right here CD, it means change directory. Paste this path, hit enter. Right when use tab. Here we have different file like GUI, like Sysprey. We want to use GUI. Press tab, the different version will appear for you. Choose GUI, hit enter. Here we have Windows 10 debloater. Click here, remove all bloatware. Wait a few moments. Come on Cortana, click on disable. Disable Edge and PDF. Click on disable. If you don't need dark mode on Windows, click on disable. Uninstall OneDrive. Unpin Tails from desktop menu. Remove bloatware, reg key. Disable firmware task. Click on start. Again, some extra app is here. We can remove these apps with this command. Close Windows 10 debloater. You need to copy and paste this code: get-appx package pip remove appx package. Copy this code or this command. Just right click here, hit enter. You will get this error, no problem. It will remove the all unnecessary file on the Windows. Now when you click on start, we don't have any extra app. Maybe you ask, we need some app like calculator or Windows Store. If you want to bring some app like calculator, then write this command: get appx package dash all user Microsoft Windows calculator pip for each, open this bracket, add appx package, disable development mode, dash register, double quotation, dollar sign, again bracket, dollar sign, underscore dot install locations slash appx manifest.xml. Don't worry, this comment is on the description. You can use, just copy this comment, paste here, just right click, again open start. Now we have calculator. If you want to bring some other apps like Microsoft Store, run this command. Just instead Windows calculator, write Windows Store like this, copy this command. When you paste, you have Microsoft Store also. When you click on start, Microsoft Store is here. Now you have smooth and faster Windows 10. If you want to make Windows 11 debloat, then write comment on the comment section. I will make separate video for that. Have a good day.